5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello humans, this is a cheap plastic skull that I bought from a $2 shop. Today I'm going to paint it chrome, silver. Going to make it look a bit more gnarly for up and coming Halloween. I'm going to start by removing the lower jaw. It's only held on by a couple of screws. It's going to make it easier for the painting process anyway. So there's lots of nice detail in this, although there are heaps of flashing seams all over the skull, so I've got to be very careful when I try to smooth these out. If you're using a knife, boys and girls, be very careful you don't cut yourself. I'm being very mindful of that right now, just because I need to reduce the obvious seams in the mould process. A bit of sandpaper helps reduce the effects of these lines as well. Not going to be able to make it perfect, but it is what it is. Naturally, now that I'm outside, priming the skull with a flat grey primer in preparation for the silver coat. I'm using a chrome finish here. I think the chrome finish is quite effective, just to make it look nice and shiny. And now that that's dry, but naturally you can't have it nice and clean. I've got to grunge it up, so I'm going to apply the shoe polish next. It's just a simple matter of liberally brushing it all over and then removing the excess with a cloth. This is going to give the skull a grimier look, more in keeping with our horror theme today, and also make a lot of the sculpt details stand out. the eyes and the nose with the shoe polish, and the face of course. I'm going to leave the shoe polish in the eye sockets and the nose cavity because this is going to make it look a lot more sinister. I will remove the excess shoe polish from the other areas. So the end result, I think you'll agree, Humans, is that it's a lot more sinister looking. And this is just a quick and easy, basic sort of approach, bringing these cheap plastic skulls to a new level. And just for an added effect, I thought I'd put a knife between his teeth, just to make him look even more menacing. Anyway, fellow humans, this is Retro Rocket Man. I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.